Here's how to create a colorful text reveal in After Effects. Start by creating a text layer and type any text you want. Create a mask inside a letter, and make sure to create a separate mask for every single letter. This allows you to reveal each letter individually. Now apply a stroke effect. Check all masks and uncheck stroke sequentially. Go to Paint Style and select Reveal Original Image. Set brush hardness to 100% and increase the brush size to reveal the complete text. Now to animate it, set the end keyframe from 0 to 100. Easy ease last keyframe, and set the graph like this to speed up the animation. Now create a solid layer and apply 4-color gradient. Alt-click the point 1 stopwatch and add expression. Wiggle 0.5, 1000. Apply this expression to all points. Now duplicate the text layer and set the solid layer as a track matte to this layer. Pre-comp these two layers. Hide the pre-comp and duplicate the text layer. Enable stroke and disable fill for this layer. Change the position of layers like this. First stroke layer, then color layer, and then comes our fill layer. Duplicate the color layer, which is pre-comp 1, and apply fastbox blur and set radius to 8. On the second color layer, apply CC radial fast blur and set amount to 95. Apply adjustment layer on top of every layer and apply deep glow effect. Set exposure value to 0.03. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.